I'd like to take a moment and welcome you to this lesson. My name is Willie Mayette. I'm the founder and creator of JAZZEDGE. I hope you enjoy the lesson.
Hi, I want to welcome you to this lesson on Paul McCartney's classic hit, Maybe I'm Amazed. In this lesson, we're going to break this tune down into its component parts. What that means is we're going to study the intro, we're going to study the verse, we're going to study the chorus, and those three parts right there make up the entire song. So what seems like a lot of material to learn is actually boiled down to about 8 measures per section. And honestly, the intro is quite short, so only about 3 measures to learn there. So we can boil this whole song down into something less than 20 measures of music. And we're going to spend a lot of time talking about a few things in particular. We're going to talk about slash chords, how to interpret slash chords, and how they are commonly misinterpreted. We're going to talk about triads, and not just major and minor triads, but also the inversions. So thinking about playing in root position, first inversion, and second inversion. For some of you, that might be some review. I think it's good quality review just to make sure that you have a firm understanding of that information. But if you don't know what that is, this is going to be some really helpful information, especially if you're into playing pop rock music. Because a lot of rock music is based on, a lot of music in general is based on triads, but especially in terms of finding different ways to spell major and minor triads at the piano, knowing root position, first inversion, and second inversion is going to be hugely helpful information to you if you don't already know how to do that. So we're going to spend some time talking about what that means, and how to find all these different ways to spell these chords throughout the piano. At the end, you're going to learn how to play this tune, and I'm going to encourage you to work with your metronome. I'm going to encourage you to play along with the original recording and check out some other recorded versions online, some live performances, some other artists covering this tune. And you will have all the tools and some extra skills at that point learned and mastered to have played this song and to take what you've learned here and carry it through to the next piece of music that you choose to learn. So I'm very excited to get started, and I'll see you inside the lesson.